Welcome to Pharmacology for Curious Kids. I'm your host Dr. Radhika Vijay, and today we are here with another awesome episode for all of you.
Hi everyone, it's me Dia.
Today we are going to answer some really very interesting questions. Dia, have you wondered why are medicines of different shapes and sizes?
No.
And do you have any idea who makes the medicines?
No.
So these are the questions that we are going to discover today and get to know some really cool facts about all these things. So let's start with the first question. Why are medicines of different shapes and sizes? Now you might have taken a very small rounded pill. You might have taken Dia sometime, very small pill.
Yes.
And then you might have taken a big large capsule.
Yes.
Sometimes the capsule is like a heart.
Sometimes it's like a fish.
So she has seen capsules and medicines of different shapes and sizes.
Why are they so different?
Great question. Medicines comes in different shapes and sizes, and that is a reason behind it. Imagine if all the medicines are of same size, will you remember any medicine?
No.
How would you know which medicine is for your stomach ache and which medicine is for your headache? Would you differentiate?
No.
So that is why the different medicines are made in different shapes and sizes. There are pills, there are drinking syrups, and we get to know which medicine is for what. Some shapes are easy to swallow, and some big medicines, they are difficult to swallow. Yes. Sometimes Dia also and other kids also, they have trouble swallowing the big pills with the water. Am I right?
Yes.
So sometimes for the kids we have chewable medicines which you can chew like a toffee. Am I right?
Yes.
And they are very delicious also. Have you tasted any time?
Yes. It's just like picking my favorite ice cream.
That's the excitement the kids are having. So they are comparing the medicines, especially the chewable ones, with the ice cream. So ice cream come in different colors, different shapes and sizes, right?
Yes.
And that is why the medicines also have a purpose of different shapes and sizes. I'm sure you understand this now.
Yes.
Now the second big question. Who is making all these medicines? There are so many people who work like a team to make the medicine.
Are they scientists?
That's right. They are scientists, doctors and pharmacists. They are the superheroes of this medicine world. But first, I'm going to tell you about pharmacologists. I'm a pharmacologist. Pharmacologists study how the medicines work inside the body. Then we test the medicines and we get to know how they are helping us feel better. You understand now?
Yes. Who else helped to make the medicines?
Well, after the pharmacologists, they discover the medicine. Have you heard about chemist shop?
Yes.
So, the chemists, they make sure that the medicine is safe and they make it into either a pill, a tablet, a capsule, a syrup or a cream. And in the end, the pharmacists, they are the friendly people at the pharmacy. They make sure that the medicine reaches to you and your family. And then, after all the work, the doctor is helping you to decide which medicine you should take, what time and how much you should take. Now is the fun fact time. Are you ready, Dia?
Yes.
Did you know the first medicine was derived or made from what?
No.
It was made from the bark of the tree.
Oh wow.
Can you imagine that the bark of the tree can help us to fight the pain? This is such a wonderful thing.
Yes.
And that is where the aspirin comes from.
So the medicines come from the plants and trees.
Yes, many medicines come from the nature. The best one comes from the plants. And scientists, they have figured out how to get the medicines from the trees and plants. Nature is like a giant medicine store. Have you seen a medicine store?
Yes.
So nature is a big medicine store. And the nature's pharmacy is always giving us wonderful medicine. But we also have some labs. Have you ever been to a lab?
No.
In the lab, the scientists, they work to create new medicines synthetically, sometimes from the natural products, sometimes from their own, and they can help us even better. And now is the quiz time. Are you ready, Dia?
Yes.
So my first question for Dia is, why do medicines come in different shapes? Is it to make them look cooler or to help us remember what they do or make them taste better? You have to pick one option.
To help us remember what they do.
Right, she gets a gold star. Now my question number 2. Who works together to make these medicines?
A whole team.
Perfect. She gets all the questions right today and she nailed it. Thanks for joining us today for this session of Pharmacology for the Curious Kid. We hope you learned something today about the medicines, about their shapes and sizes and who makes the medicines. So next time be ready for more fun facts about medicines where we're gonna dive deeper into the amazing world of medicine. We do a bye for now. Thank you.
Thank you.